Hi, I'm Mike Skala, U.S. Army Special Forces trained demolition expert. This is my son-in-law, Randy Brown.
And I have no idea what I'm doing with explosives.
Yeah, he's probably the smartest guy I know, but we got to teach him some common sense today. This is our backyard little campfire for tonight. Okay, so we're going to start. We got these super hot matches. These aren't like them girly boy matches that come in a little paper cover in our safety matches. We got this super hot 223 muzzle velocity, 3,800 feet per second. We're going to hit these from 100 yards, and when they pass through, boom, it's going to start.
This was a big afternoon project in the barn this afternoon, by the way.
We're going to place these matches right here. We got this target behind here because otherwise you can't see it from that far away. So that's what he's shooting at. Well, here he is. He's going to ignite the fire now any second.
Oh my God! Whoa! Dad!